Hello there, welcome in another video, another Blender tutorial video. Today another super quick simple tutorial. In the previous video I showed you guys how to scale the cube, and today I'm going to show you guys how to bevel an edge, because you might not always want to have 90-degree edges like this, and you might want to smooth them out a little bit. So in today's video we're going to cover just that. So we're still going to stay with our trusty cube. We're going to go into the edit mode by pressing the tab key, and we're going to press the number 2 for edge selection. And now we're going to go to one of the edges that we want to bevel, and we're just going to go ahead and press Ctrl B. And as you can see, nothing is happening, so just drag the mouse a little bit, and as you can see, we're beveling the edge. Now you might want more faces to this edge, so all you have to do in this case is just scroll the mouse wheel up or down to increase or decrease the amount of faces that you want. But as you can see, now we do have a face with more than 5 edges, so this is called the end gun. For gaming you don't want this, so you might just want to go ahead and fix this real quick. So we're just going to delete the face, and then we're gonna press the edge select, go to the furthest edge in this case, and just press the letter F, and this is going to fix our geometry. Not in the best way, of course, but it's just something pretty quick. You can also bevel the entirety of the 4 edges here, so we're just going to select all 4 edges and press Ctrl B, and as you can see, it's going to bevel the edges. But in this case we won't have any end guns, so we are pretty much safe. So I hope you found this tutorial useful, and I will catch you tomorrow with another video. Peace.